Hi everyone and welcome back to Homehead Chef. Today we're making an Italian hot chocolate. Now this hot chocolate is more of a chocolate that is hot, not a hot cocoa. It's going to be really rich and creamy, almost has like a pudding type consistency to it. It's really good. We need a few ingredients, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 cup of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cornstarch, 4.5 ounces of dark chocolate chopped. We're also going to need 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to start by adding 1/4 cup of our milk into our cornstarch. Get this thoroughly mixed and we're going to head over to the stove. In a medium-sized saucepan over medium heat, we're going to bring together our milk, our heavy cream, our sugar, and our vanilla. We want to keep stirring this occasionally so that way the milk doesn't scorch. What we're looking for is for it to start to bubble around the edges. Now we're going to add in a little bit of our chocolate at a time and get this completely dissolved. We're going to add in a little bit more till it's completely gone. That's already looking beautiful. Now we're going to turn down our heat to a medium-low. We're going to add in our cornstarch and milk mixture. We're going to cook this for about 1 minute to 2 minutes tops, depending on how thick you really want it. Alright, that looks awesome. Let's check the thickness. Look how well that hugs the spoon. Nice shine to it. Alright, let's head over to the cutting board. Now to set this up, we're going to pour or ladle some of our chocolate into our glass. I'll give this one a little bit more. Perfect. We're going to top it with some of our homemade whipped cream. I'll have the recipe for that in the description below. And we're going to garnish it with a little bit more of our chocolate shavings. There you have it. Let's get a taste. Alright, let's get a taste. Whew. It's really rich. It's thick. It's not too sweet. It's very chocolate forward. Very chocolate forward. Like I said, it's like a hot chocolate. A chocolate that is hot. This is really good. It's a good way to warm up after you've been out in the cold. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that down in the description. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can head on over to our Patreon account. I'll drop a link for that as well. Thank you. We'll see you next one.